What's going on, y'all? It's Malik and Miles.
And welcome to Microsoft Academy, the series where we give you a closer look at the top trending features and programs from Microsoft. The world can be a busy place, and staying connected is more important now than ever.
Microsoft Teams allows users to learn, plan, and innovate together no matter where you're located.
It's an essential tool for staying connected virtually, as well as it really helps build a sense of community, even when you can't physically be together.
Let's take a closer look at some of our favorite features when it comes to staying connected with Microsoft Teams. The first feature we have to talk about is the Meet Call Chat feature. Now, this is a feature where you can make calls to your friends, send voicemails, group messaging.
You know, you can really be creative with it. You can send GIFs, you can send emojis, you can have one-on-ones, or you can have group calls with people.
Now, going with the background, I have a lot of meetings. I don't want to get ready for all of them. I hop on my computer and my bed's not made. Now, there is two things I can do. I can get up and make my bed, or if I don't want to have the perfect background in my room, I can blur it. Just, my bed's not made, blur it. My dog's walking around, blur it. It doesn't matter. Or I can let my personality really come through and actually spend the time and choose a custom background so I look like I have something to bring to the table.
You know, speaking of a table, you know, since you can't have a real one, Together Mode really makes it seem like you're in like a virtual conference space. As you can see, Teams is a great way to stay in sync with your inner circle and to keep productivity thriving.
It's so easy, our mom uses it, and she doesn't even use social media.
You know, I was talking to Mom on Teams earlier about how I'm the cuter baby.
No.
It's objectively true.
False.
I'm calling Mom.
Don't.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
We're doing well. Listen, we have a quick issue that we'd like you to settle real quick. We need to know which one of us was the cuter baby. Do you have any pictures that you could maybe show us to help us out with this?
Yeah, sure.
All right, for sure the one on the left is me.
I knew we always looked good in jeans.
We did, right? But as you can see, I'm wearing them better.
Well, thank you, Bob, for showing us those beautiful pictures of us. I think we got our answer. Bye, Bob.
Bye, Mom.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too. Say hi to the dog for us. That'll do it for this episode of Microsoft Academy. The verdict is in. Microsoft Teams is an amazing platform built for the modern world, and it completely changed the way we work, connect, and learn.
Make sure you tell us in the comments what your favorite tricks are when you connect with your family over Microsoft Teams.
Thank you all for watching.
And make sure you follow and subscribe for more content, because we have more of these to come.
Now, I'm clearly the cuter baby. Mom was just being nice.
Where did you get this from?